Okay, so welcome to the Educator's Order, where teachers rise, school owners evolve, and education is reborn. Because when educators arise, nations definitely will shift. My name is Samuel Efre, and your school business architect. And on today's, we're gonna be looking into something very unique, and it's actually December reset. Now, the kind of reset where that turns you, as a teacher, an educator, into creators. This is not motivation. This is monetization. How are you gonna become a creator that earns, and earners into architects of their own financial destiny. This is not monetization, like I said. This is not motivation, like I said. This is monetization. You see, December is actually a noisy period, except for educators. People are buying clothes, hampers, groceries, subscription, toys, courses, gift, name it. And but educators are often in survival mode. They are actually checking their account balance, calculating January, waiting for next term, answering when will salary come, and all of that. But you see, we're breaking that cycle now because this December is gonna be the biggest spending month of the year. Do you understand? We all know this, right? And you see, digital products are actually the easiest way for an educator to step into that river of spending. Now, take it from me as someone that is experienced and into this. So, in today's class, we're going to be looking at three digital products you can create today after listening to me, and why each one of them sells very fast in December, then who is going to buy it, then the step by step creation guide, and exactly how you're going to price and promote it. Do you understand? So please, before I continue, I would want you to do me something. I want you to help share it on your status, share it on all your social media platform. You see, it's time to let educators around the world know that they actually have a whole lot to give out. They actually have a lot to do to make them wealthy beyond the four walls of a classroom. Okay, so are we ready? Let's get to the product one. You see, product one is called the Christmas Holiday Home Study Pack. Actually, this is a parent pleasing, child engaging, stress and reducing digital products. Okay, now do you know why this product sells? One, parents fear one thing in December, that oh, my child will forget everything that has been taught, when they close and all of that. But you see, they also fear too much screen time. They fear boredom. They fear noisy, the noise environment. They fear regression. They fear zero academic structure. And they fear that holiday dulling. Even though they know they want to say and they want their children off math and English and blah, 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 blah. But 24 hours, it's a big deal. Do you understand? And because everyone is traveling, busy, and exhausted, they will gladly pay for anything that keeps their child busy, learning, and engaged. See, you are not just selling worksheets. Do you understand? You are selling peace of mind to them, and peace of mind to them actually moves faster than discount. So now, in creating a study pack, these are what you're going to include in your study pack. Okay, one, daily lessons, activities, maybe for 2 to 4 weeks worth. Okay, then you organize it into day one and day two, day three, day four. This actually going to create structure and makes parents trust you more. Then number two is the worksheet in the study pack. Okay, remember the first one is daily lessons, then worksheet could be in math or English or comprehension or phonics practice or creative writing tasks, matching and sorting, or critical thinking puzzles. Then you now create activities on this subject, like build a paper Christmas tree, or draw your family celebration, or create a gratitude list, or holiday science experiment, or design a Christmas card. Then you now include the behavioral and character tags. Parents actually love this, trust me. They like do something kind for a sibling, clean your room without being told, help with Christmas preparation. So when you're preparing the worksheet or you're preparing your the study pack, under it, you could put a box, draw a box, and just write maybe this character tag to actually talk about values and personal development. Then you now have an optional, maybe a bonus, where you have a learning calendar to track their progress daily. Actually, it makes the product feel more premium. And you're going to be asking, okay, Mr. Tom, after doing this, who's going to buy it? Trust me, parent in your school will buy, parent in your WhatsApp, seeing your WhatsApp status will buy, parent online will buy, aunties, uncle, and cousin will buy something that they are looking for, something that is going to be valuable. They can actually purchase as a gift to their nephews, to their niece, to their cousins, any one of them. Even your parent teachers community would actually buy. You see, and relatives buying gifts, I said it, is going to buy. Now this product has one of the lowest resistance rate in selling, so parents don't argue, they just buy. And this is going to be a step by step how you're going to create a one. You need to choose your age group, for example ages 3 to 5, or ages 6 to 8, or ages 9 to 12. Then step 2, you need to now plan the 2 to 4 week outline, week 1 to 4, or day 1 to 5, or weekend tasks. Then you now generate the worksheet. Use tools like ChatGPT or Canva worksheet template, your existing lesson work note, and there are so many worksheet generators online. All you need to do, just go on Google and type worksheet generators, you will get it. Then step 4, you need to add your activities and your tasks, make it fun but practical, and format it into a PDF. If you don't know how to do that, you can send us an email, or you can actually look at the description, where you can actually send us a one-on-one chat, a chat, so we can actually have a one-on-one with you. Then create the cover page. Okay, make it simple, colorful, parent friendly. You can use Canva to do that. Then add the instruction for parents, something like tell them how to use the pack. Okay, the first page can actually be an instruction guide on how they can actually use the pack. Then for those in Nigeria, I'm going to be using the currency. Then you can actually say, okay, at 2005, between 2005 and 5000. Okay, if you want to charge in dollars, it could just be between $5 to $10. Do you understand? And promote it like your life depends on it. Send sample pages, share testimonies, and send urgent reminder. That's product 1. Now move on to product 2. Product 2 is the Christmas ebook mini guide. Okay, you're going to be turning your expertise into a December bestseller. Okay, turn your expertise into a digital book parent and educators will buy instantly. Now, do you know why this particular product is going to sell? First, December is a month of resolutions, is a month for self-improvement, is a month for parenting worries, and is also the month for teacher guilt. They want to do more. It's a month for planning for January and the next year, and it's also a month for education anxiety. So people want to start next year strong, the coming year, and ebooks sell because they promise guidance. Do you understand? So this product positions you as a thought leader, not just a teacher. Now something like this. Okay, let me just give you an example. For example, you can say how to prepare your child for next term in 20 minutes a day, or holiday behavior toolkit for parents, or a topic like the December guide for preparing your preschooler for January, or Christmas reading booster pack, or how to help children review without stress. You see, or you want to write for educators, you could say how to monetize your teaching skill in 2025, or the educators digital income. Anything, just a topic that will actually bring the thought, or the 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 interest of your potential audience you want to sell to. And in this Christmas mini ebook, mini guide, what you include in you must have a bold opening story, like a 5 to 10 short chapters. Then you must have an action steps after each chapter. It could be a worksheet or a template, and make sure you end at the end of the book. There must be a checklist, and you must have a CTA. CTA means call to action for other products. And what you're going to do is how to create this. One, pick a painful problem. Now remember, one of the painful problems topics I gave you was something like holiday behavior toolkit for parent, or something like how to prepare your children for next term in 20 minutes a day. That is a painful problem. That is a painful problem. You must always look for problem, because in order for you to make money, you need problems that you can create solutions for. Okay, so where are we? Pick a painful problem. They must feel that need of urgency. Then create a 7 to 10 chapter outline. Okay, I'm teaching you now, so follow my step. Create the outline first. Then for each of the outline, you now explain the idea, give an example, and give an action for them. Then go to Canva, use an ebook template. You don't have to be a pro, you don't have to be an expert. When you go to canva.com, you actually see templates you can actually work on. All you just need to do is just change the font, change the colors, and you're good to go. Then export as PDF, and you private maybe 3k to 10k, and you could just put bundle of 3 books together and sell it at 15 to 20k. You see, sell, sell, sell. Your WhatsApp status is an ATM. Your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram, they are all the market platform where you can actually make sales on all of this. Now let's move us to the next product, which is a mini course. It could be the parent or educator mini course, a short, high impact video or audio training you can create in 48 hours. Do you know why this is going to sell? One, because during holidays, people have time. People want transformation, people want clarity, people prefer to listen or watch, because it's holiday, and people want guidance for the new year, and they want to feel prepared. So a mini course actually gives them that preparation. And types of mini courses you can actually do: number one, you can have for parents, you can do how to prepare your child academically for next year, holiday reading challenge, or how to raise confident children. For educators, if you're doing for educators, you can have how to make money teaching online in 2025. That is, if 2024 were to be the previous year. Or it could just be how to build a digital classroom brand, like what I am doing now. Okay, so look for a topic, and remember I said it could be a video or an audio course. Then what is the mini course should actually contain 3 to 5 video lessons, or each lesson should be between 5 to 12 minutes. Okay, and it should come in form of PDF or worksheet, a summary lesson. After doing a video, you should have a link where they can have maybe worksheets. Do you understand? That gives the premium vibe. Then you must have a bonus resource and a call to action. So in creating it, like what we have on the screen, you must choose one problem, pick one topic, pick your topic. Now write your lesson outline. Maybe lesson 1, awareness; lesson 2, tools; lesson 3, application; lesson 4, example; lesson 5, summary. Then you need to record with your phone. Okay, you don't need a sophisticated phone, you just need a quiet place. Do you understand? If you want to show your face, fine. If you don't want to show your face, like what I'm doing, it's perfect, it's still good. But you must have a good sound, you must have clean background. Okay, and upload to your Google Drive, create a folder, give access to buyers, and you must have a thumbnail or a cover that shows where and what you want to sell. Do you understand? And set your price between 5k to 20k. Sell to parents, sell through your WhatsApp, sell through your Facebook, sell through your Instagram, your schools, your teachers platform, and your parent. And you see, how to promote all this product is you need to show a sample. Okay, because people buy when they see, and people also buy when they trust you. And also learn to share testimonies. Okay, you could actually give free offers for some few persons that you can, instead of collecting money from them, you get testimonies. Now, because 1 or 2 reviews can actually multiply your sales, then use your voice, record a 30-second audio note explaining the product, and make sure you just use urgency mode, something like Christmas discount closes tonight, and use bundles. Bundle is equal to bigger pay. You know what bundle means? Put 3 products together and sell it at a discounted rate. And you see, then use this thing I'm going to give to you that most sales guru don't want to give out. It's called scarcity. Only 20 slots for personalized feedback, then 10 slots remaining, and all of that. You see, let's look at the richest pathway for all of this. And I'm just saying, combining all the 3 products into a Christmas sales machine. Okay, number one, sell the holiday study pack to parents, or upsell your ebook, or upsell your mini course. You see, this is how educators like me earn without stress. Listen, you are not walking into the next year on the same level, because digital products are the fastest door to daily income. You are an educator, which means you are already swimming in knowledge that the world we pay for. So Christmas buyers are not waiting for perfection. Not at all. They're actually searching for solutions, and you have it. So if you want me to walk you through into this personally, or help you structure your product, or build your outline, design your workbook, and set up your sales system, now then book a one-on-one personal strategy session with me. Now I'm going to take your idea, shape it, refine it, and turn it into a detailed product you can sell before Christmas morning. See, you need to send me a message. You have the link in the description if you're ready. Let's build wealth intentionally, because when educators arise, nations shift. I hope you're not just listening, you're going to take action now. See you in the next lesson.